The city of chants and charms, city of happiness and brotherhood, city of pearls and world famous biryani. When you talk about biryani, one city which comes in the mind is Hyderabad. It was 17th of Feb, third day of the ride, and I was just 120 kilometers away from trying out the world famous biryani, and I'm super excited today. Every time when I start the ride, the feeling of fresh morning air on my face, empty roads, and the beckoning of the unexplored destination fills my heart with such a joy that I never wish to ask for the day to end. It's a mixture of excitement, fear, happiness, curiosity, adventure, and many more emotions all together thrown into the spear. It is an awesome feeling that only the bikers would understand. I often feel I want a space of my own where my mind is peaceful and not worrying about anything. I have been experiencing such feelings whenever I'm just cruising on a lonely highway without any time target or sometimes destination also. I stop whenever I want to, feel the environment around me and then continue with my ride towards the unknown. The fascination of the long roads, the noisy localities, the colorful people, the rivers, the jungles, the woods, the mountains, and the companionship with my bike is not just fantastic but colossal too. I just entered Hyderabad and could smell only biryanis on the street. And moreover, Hyderabad traffic polices are the best photographers right now, and I was just hoping they don't stop me after seeing the Kerala registration board. It was going to be a traffic nightmare here, which I was already prepared for. But there's a valuable lesson that a traffic signal teaches us. Every problem is like a red signal, but if you will wait for some time, it will turn green. The people who are still engaged in this video to see the biryani, I ask for forgiveness as I forgot to switch on the GoPro thinking it was already on. Never mind, we will surely compensate it with the Kolkata biryani. I ate it from Hotel Shadab, which was one of the famous places to try out the biryani. And they say life is better when you eat biryani, and I could feel the same. Riding is always fun, whether solo or in group. It takes you to a totally different world of dreams. The feeling can't be expressed in words, but it's pretty close to heaven as they say it. Solo riding is a little risky as compared to group riding, but then the satisfaction is 10 times. It's your take whether to go alone or in group, but let me tell you why I think it's a great idea to ride solo. Here you are the boss. You learn to be independent. You meet new people and make new friends. You lose your fear. You become more observant. You get to work on your bucket list. And the most important thing, you are ready to take setbacks which are part of life. I was heading to a town called Adilabad in Telangana, which I thought would be suitable for me to take an halt for the day. And along with that, I planned to explore one small village where I could get some off-roading experience with some scenic views. What a lovely surprise to finally discover how unlonely being alone can be. This is a village called Gajli, which is 50 kilometers away from Adilabad. And as per Google, the total geographical area of village is 759 hectares and it has a population of only 185 people with 44 houses. I wish to live a life that causes my soul to dance inside my body, and the view was something like that. This time around, why I preferred a bike over a car is that in a car you are always in a compartment, and because you are used to it, you don't realize that through that car window everything you see is just more TV. You are a passive observer and it is all moving by you boringly in a frame. On a bike, the frame is gone, you are completely in contact with it all. You are in the scene, not just watching it anymore, and the sense of presence is overwhelming. I don't know what lies around that bend, but I'm going to believe the best does. It has a fascination of its own, that bend. I wonder how the road beyond it goes. What new landscapes, what new beauties, what curves, hills and valleys further on. The road may bend out of sight at times, but I know what lies ahead. the sunset. Life is all about enjoying every sunset and looking forward for the next sunrise. Thank you for watching.